Alright, so you can see I have created two tasks here, and I have two handlers that corresponds to these two tasks. I have also initialized them in my main. So if I start running this task, I mean if I start running this program, then these two tasks will start running. And the first task will print hello world every 1 second. And what I want to do in my second task is I want to suspend my task 1 for 5 seconds, and then I will again resume it for another 5 seconds. I will allow it to run. And I do that by using a function called vtask suspend and vtask resume. But before that, I need to introduce a delay of 5 seconds. So I'm going to change that to 5. So this will give me a 5 seconds delay. And if I want to suspend this task 1, I'm going to use this function vtask suspend, and the input parameter is going to be the handle for this task, which in this case is going to be my task1 handle. So I have my task1 handle, and this task shall be suspended. The next thing is wait for another 5 seconds and resume the task. Again, similar, it's vtask resume, and the input parameter is of course going to be again the handler. So as a recap, 5 seconds it will wait, allowing this task to run, and then it will suspend it, and for 5 seconds it will hold, keeping the task suspended, and then it will resume it again, and it will do it in an infinite loop. So let's go ahead and let's see how this program will run. Okay, so if I reset it, you can see it's printing hello world. The task 1 is running, and there it stops. Okay, you can see that it halts for 5 seconds. Okay, there it prints for 5 seconds, and then again it halts for 5 seconds because the task is suspended. So task 2 is suspending the task 1. So this is how you suspend a task and you resume a task in FreeRTOS. Now a few more things that you need to take note of is that if you want to use vtask suspend, you can also suspend yourself. I mean, the task can suspend itself. That is possible. So let's get rid of these. Let's say if I want this task to suspend itself, I can use vtask suspend, and I can use the interrupt for this task, which is going to be my task1 handle, and this task shall be suspended. But if I want to suspend itself, there's another way of doing it by passing a null value. So if I use a null value, what's going to happen is this task is going to suspend itself again. So that was about suspending a task and resuming a task.